Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol SHLL. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. If you're not sure what I mean by 30-minute, I do offer an explanation video at that link. Done this analysis many times before, so that is where the red and green line annotations are coming from. An update, I don't know if that's necessarily the right word here. More so confirmation would probably be an accurate term. And the big point of confirmation has to do with that red line right there, which is essentially right up there at the $52 mark. Now, I say essentially because, supports, resistance are not exact levels to the penny. And you can see right here, though, the history of the chart really just gives us that much more confirmation. Today, it was a cruel move, though. Broke up above 52, and you can see when the price broke above it, picked up a whole lot of momentum. The problem is a fake break, and the price rolled back over. Now, to give credit where credit's due, the bulls did do a good job of bouncing back upwards. But upon bouncing back upwards, notice where the price stopped going up again. Well, right there at 52, and then 52 several more times. So while I'm not saying that 52 can never be broken, my point here is that we have just that much more confirmation that if there is going to be any sort of bigger movements to the upside, then as of right now, that $52 mark is certainly a very stubborn level out there that's going to need to be taken into account from the resistance side of things. And then as far as the levels of support are concerned, good to see that the green line here held strong, which I've talked about several times before, right down there around 48.25. In fact, when the price did roll back over, the price dropped below the green line, but that didn't last very long at all before the price quickly snapped back upwards. So 48.25, again, to stick with that keyword there of confirmation, has been confirmed as a good solid area of support. But also now you have, because these levels have caught up to the price, the 50 period moving average and then the 200 period moving average. So in other words, you have a pretty thick area of support down here, which doesn't mean that it's guaranteed to hold. But if there is going to be any sort of break of 48 and below, then the bears would really have to bring their A game in order to accomplish that. Because as of right now, the bulls seem to have quite a bit of support down around that area. But overall, interesting start to the week. Let's see how things continue to play out. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.